Woo la la. So if you guys like that video about the Empress Wu hosta, one of the largest hostas known to man, you're gonna like this one. In this box is the Woo la la. It's a sport of the Empress Wu and has variegated edges and is supposed to get just about as big as the Empress Wu. And we're not talking about a foot high, 2 foot high. We're talking about 4 foot high, 5 foot wide. Guys, that is a big hosta. So we're going to do a little unboxing now. I absolutely love this company. Now listen, here's the backstory behind it. When I posted that Empress Wu video, you guys got so excited, you went to the store and you bought a bunch of Empress Wu. And somehow these guys found out that you guys bought a bunch of Empress Wu hosta based on that last video, and so they sent me the Woo la la. Just as a little thank you, and I'm telling you what guys, I love this store. Now if you guys have been watching me for a while, then you know that I don't really endorse companies on here. I'm in this for the gardening, but I'm going to endorse this company right here and now. They're called thehostastore.com, and they offer just about any variety of hosta that you could possibly want. I mean, it is a cool store. I just love scrolling through their pages. I am definitely going to be buying more hosta from these guys again. They package them so well, they ship them so well, and they come in pristine condition. I know you don't want to hear me talk anymore, so let's open the package. Guys, these guys know what they're doing, man. It's just a slick setup. Little thank you note. They just wanted to say thanks for posting that video about the Empress Wu. I'm gonna buy more hosta from these people. Look at this. You could not find a more beautiful setup than this. Let's get this guy out for you. Look at that. Beautiful. These guys package so well. They're bare root plants and they just ship them with massive roots, guys. I mean, these things are so healthy and they look so nice. All right, let's get down to the nitty gritty. This is the important part. This is the part we all love to see so much in the garden. Look at that, guys. Look at those beautiful roots. I don't know if I've ever seen a better packaged plant than this. Look, so this is the Woo la la. Like I said, it's a sport of the Empress Wu, which I'm just learning about here, but it's got the variegated edges right there, and it's supposed to get just about the same size as the Empress Wu, but a little bit smaller, maybe a hair smaller, but with these variegated edges. And so I mean, it's just, look at that. That is a beautiful little plant. We're going to pot this guy up into another probably, maybe I'll do a 2-gallon pot. I think I potted the last one into a 5-gallon pot, but then I decided I want to plant this thing out on the property sooner than later. So I might just pot this up into a smaller pot, wait until I get some good root growth, and probably next spring we'll be planting this out on the property. I mean, look at that. So gorgeous. I love these hosta. I absolutely love these hosta. So there she sits, potted up, fertilized, and all watered in. Man, I can't tell you guys how excited I am to see some new growth come off of this hosta next spring. And look, its sister, the Empress Wu. Look at that. New growth already starting to come up from the center. These are just healthy plants, and I am excited to see them grow. So there we go, the Empress Wu and the Woo la la. I am definitely going back to buy more hosta. I got hosta fever, guys. This is going to be a problem. First the rhododendrons, then the figs, and now the hosta. This is going to be a real problem. I really don't know what I'm going to do with myself, but I have a feeling that I'm going to come home one day and my wife's going to have my bed out here in the hoop house, because she's not going to be able to tolerate all these plants much longer. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoy hosta as much as I do, I definitely recommend that store, thehostastore.com. They're a great store. If you guys like this one, hit the like button, subscribe if you want to follow along and see more fantastic gardening videos, of course. Have a fantastic week, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Adios!